Connect Notion and Claude via MCP. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To connect Notion and Claude via MCP, start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the search bar at the top of the browser, type Claude Download, and press Enter to find the official setup file. From the results, click the official Anthropic website to reach the correct page. On the website, click Download for Windows to save the installer onto your computer. When the download completes, open the installer from your download section to begin setup. Wait while Claude installs itself, as the process is fairly quick. Once the app opens, click Get Started to kick off the initial setup. Click Continue with Google to sign in using your existing Google account. A list of accounts will appear, so pick the one you want to use with Claude, and then click Continue to finish logging in. When a browser pop-up appears, click Open Claude to return to the app. Skip or close any welcome screens or intro tips to access your main dashboard. Click Continue through the quick setup prompts in the chat area to prepare your active workspace. Maximize the app window so everything on screen is easy to see and comfortable to use. Click your profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, then select Settings from the menu to open your preferences. Inside the Settings page, click the Connectors tab on the left sidebar. Click Browse Connectors to view all the tools and services you can connect to Claude. Use the search bar to type Notion and find the Notion connector. Click the plus button on the Notion connector to begin adding it to Claude. Click Continue with Google to sign into your Notion account using your Google credentials. Select your Google account from the list that appears on screen. Scroll down the Permissions page and click Continue to grant the necessary access. When asked how you want to use Notion, click For Personal Life to move forward. If Notion prompts you to download anything, simply click Skip for now to bypass that step. Click Continue to finalize the connection, and when the browser pop-up appears, click Open Claude to return to the app. Your Notion is now fully connected to Claude via MCP.